Hello everybody, my name is Paddy O. I'm the new owner of Jasmine, and she's a Fontaine Pajot Mahi 36 Evolution. We acquired her in Townsville, far north Queensland, and this is a channel which is going to show you a wonderful journey we hope to bring you with various updates and additions over the course of the next few weeks, where we will sail Jasmine out of Darwin down through the across to the Kimberleys and down through the West Australian coast to Mandurah, which is about 100 kilometres south of a wonderful city in Perth, Western Australia. So stay tuned, smash that like button, it helps to keep the channel working, and if you enjoy it, please share this with someone else who loves sailing.
Hardly choose injured, so they've all got money. Yeah.
This is activated once it...
Be a push. That's the bit. We're in the middle of the ocean
So, yeah.
Otherwise, all I do, but there we go. There's the casts I do. They're all so every hour.
Okay, right. Yeah.
Drag that to there.
Yeah.
But once, I generally only use that in open as a mat because it could round up onto a reef.
Yeah.
Rubber mat so it doesn't leave big rubber marks. We're pressing and holding. Always has good seamanship. We got water to show how you do it, but we've checked the oil level. A bit of time is potential. It's a different brand. Now I haven't actually activated it. Radar data customize my on this one is fish IS on or off, and I have got it selected. Is potential back bunk here. It's quite similar, but radar so set up customize my on this one. I have got it selected off. Alright, what we got here, we've got them all out right now so we can see what's going on. They're all color coded, really nice, and I actually replaced most of these from new. The yellow rope goes up to the top of the mast and is the halyard for the head sail. This green, dark green checkered rope is the halyard onto this block, which takes the storm sail up, the spanker I think they call it. Yeah, that's that one, and that goes onto the top of the storm sail, which is bright orange, and ends up getting the foot of the sail is connected to that hose. There's a rubber hose there, and it's quite an agricultural setup, but when it's blowing above 35 knots it works, and I've done it between Cairns and Osprey Reef and Osprey to Ashmore Reef. All we ran was a little bright orange. Alrighty, let's talk about the Jenica and the spin furling. Hang on to that, will be the model. Alright, Patrick and I have already rigged it.
So this has been another episode of the Darwin Kimberley Red Short Sailing Run. Don't forget, if you're enjoying this, please like and subscribe and share it with your friends. It does help. Thank you.